Hello everyone, this is Dr.Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. This channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. And this channel could be your biggest support towards your successful career. So subscribe it right now and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you could be notified with each important video. Norway is considered among the topmost countries for physiotherapists with highest salary packages. So today let's gather all the details to practice in Norway as a physiotherapist. In this video, we will cover following topics: eligibility criteria, NPA registration, supervised practice, total expenses, and salary packages. So let's start. To become a physiotherapist in Norway, you will need to follow these steps. Obtain a bachelor's degree in physiotherapy from a recognized educational institute. In Norway, there are several universities that offer physiotherapy programs, such as University of Oslo, Bergen University College, and Oslo Metropolitan University. Once you have completed your degree, you'll need to apply for authorization from the Norwegian Directorate of Health. This is a requirement for anyone who wants to work as a physiotherapist in Norway, and you will need to provide proof of your education and training. You'll also need to register with the Norwegian Physiotherapy Association (NPA). This is a professional organization that represents physiotherapists in Norway, and membership is required for anyone who wants to work as a physiotherapist in the country. Finally, you may need to complete a period of supervised practice before you can work independently as a physiotherapist in Norway. This will depend on your level of education and training, as well as your prior experience. It's worth noting that the requirements for becoming a physiotherapist in Norway may vary depending on your country of origin and your qualifications. If you are unsure about the specific requirements for your situation, you may need to consult with the Norwegian Directorate of Health or NPA for more information. Now let's talk about the expenses. The expenses for becoming a physiotherapist in Norway can vary depending on a number of factors, including the cost of tuition, living expenses, and any additional fees or expenses that may be required. The cost of tuition for a physiotherapist program in Norway can vary depending upon the university and the program you choose to enroll in. As an example, the University of Oslo's physiotherapy program costs approximately 50,000 NOK per academic year for international students, while Bergen University College program costs approximately 70,000 NOK per academic year. In addition to tuition fees, you'll also need to consider the cost of living expenses such as accommodation, food, transportation, and other expenses that may arise. The cost of living in Norway can be relatively high compared to other countries, so it's important to budget accordingly. It's also worth noting that there may be additional fees or expenses associated with becoming authorized and registered as a physiotherapist in Norway, such as application fees and membership fees for professional organizations. So let's talk about the salary packages. How much does the physiotherapist earn in Norway? The average pay for a physiotherapist is 6,37,891 a year and 307 or in Tromsø, Norway. The average salary range for a physiotherapist is between 4,43,334 and 7,76,951. On average, a doctorate degree is the highest level of education for a physiotherapist in Norway. This is all for today. Kindly subscribe this channel and yes, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.